Hello everyone! Welcome to Everyday Life with Cecilia. Kumusta po yung mga taga Pilipinas? Lalo na po doon sa Quezon, San Isidro, Isabela. Doon po ako nakatira. At saka doon sa Longos, Malabon City. Doon po yung aking mga apartments. Anyways, kumusta kayo? Amin ditan na po. Agluto tayo iti fried chicken. Cecilia version again. Okay, so we're going to cook fried chicken. Cecilia's version. Now, first thing I did was I seasoned the chicken legs with pepper, oil, and a little bit of salt. And kind of marinated for 2-3 hours. Because I need to rest, so I just marinated for 3 hours. But you can marinate it only for 1 hour. Three pieces of white egg. And then, half cup of flour. And 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to make it crunchy. So there you go. Or maybe you're wondering why I have this one. This is what I'm going to coat with it. This is new to me too, so we have to see. Okay, now I mix together the flour and the cornstarch. And now I'm going to coat it with, I'm going to use my finger, they're clean. I'm going to coat it with noodles. I use the instant noodles. You can use the, and also the Mickey, they call it Mickey. Okay, set aside of that into that one. And then we are going to deep fry it soon. Okay, it seems the oil is already kind of boiling, so I'll just turn it down a little bit. Okay, 5 is enough. At saka ano kaya yung terming crunchy food cornstarch. Flour and cornstarch. Oh, it's crunchy. It will, you know. This is not yet cooked, so it's kind of pale. So we're going to make it as a, yeah, the color will be golden brown. And it's, oh gosh, it's too crunchy already. Ay nako, gustong-gusto ng asawa ng banana ketchup. Nasasarapan siya doon at saka kasi Mang Tomas. Oh, he loves those. Turn it a little bit higher. Okay, now I'm going to fry that this one. To go with the deep fried chicken, Cecilia's version, I'm going to make a shrimp salad. Consists of lettuce, noodles, and shrimp. First, I boiled the noodles and then just shredded the lettuce. And first thing, you have to put 3 of this, and then noodles. You like lots of noodles, huh?
Sure.
There. And then put something. Sometimes too, you can put pepper, sweet pepper. Also, you can put what you call this? Carrot. My paper is a little bit small, so there you go. They call it rice paper. So I'll put 3 shrimp, noodles, and put a little bit more. And wrap it like this. I'm not that good in wrapping, but you know what? It doesn't matter. There you go. So there's a little bit gap so that it will not stick together.
So, I think supper's all ready to go. Looks delicious. So, hon, let's dig in.
Dig in. So I want to take this one. I want to try it now. I'm going to use my hands.
Well, of course we're going to use our hands, hon.
Yes. You can dip it with peanut sauce. Oh, no. With mantumas, or you can just eat it like this.
I'm going to dip it with peanut sauce.
This one is peanut sauce.
Well, is that a rule?
Because this is only for the peanut sauce.
I always break the rules, son.
Okay, break the rules. Oh my God. It's crunchy.
That's really good. I've never tried that.
So I'm getting a big tip this time then, huh?
Big tip.
Crunchy outside, tender inside.
Very juicy.
Han,
Yeah.
German food next time.
Chairman food. German food.
Yes. This is a peanut sauce.
That's good, hon. The peanut sauce is a little more spicy than you make your own.
This is Thai peanut sauce. Thai peanut sauce. This is really crunchy.
Oh my gosh.
You know what I'm saying? So good. Can I have mantumas, huh?
There's really no elegant way to eat either of these dishes, so just
Use your hands. There's something
you'll
wrong
have
with
to excuse us.
There's it's so good to eat with your hands. And we are at home. Feel at home.
I mean, it's cooked all the way through very nicely. It's still nice and juicy. And cheers, hon.
Cheers, sweetheart.
So what's that, hon?
This is the rice paper. I'll try to deep fry them. And yeah, they're so good. Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Mmm. Really. I love it. It's really crunchy.
Mm-hmm. I really like the sauce, man.
It's good.
Nice and spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Is this a Costco one? No.
You want to try this?
I do.
They're good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Kind of melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I think one more piece of chicken, then I'm done, hon.
Go ahead, sweetheart. I'm done.
You're done?
Mm-hmm.
So we're finished our main course here. That chicken was so good. A little bit filling, but we're just going to clear off, and then we're going to have some Filipino dessert.
Okay, I'm gonna surprise you for that.
Mm-hmm.
Here, guys, we have a leftover macaroni last night, so I made some fruit salad with macaroni. So they're good.
So this is a very typical Filipino dish that they serve during festive times, holidays, and special meals. So it's fruit cocktail with some kind of pasta, macaroni, or in this case we're using the tali, and then like a sweet condensed milk.
Yes,
What else?
just that I didn't put the thick one.
Hmm.
It's because it's too sweet already.
Right. They usually put a sweet condensed milk and then some kind of a. You can buy it in the Philippines. It's more like a whipping cream.
Nestle cream.
It's called Nestle cream. Yeah.
There's also here in Canada.
Well, here it's a different brand, and I don't think it's nearly as good. But
Yeah. And the green one is the nata de coco.
we haven't had any since when? Over a year.
I guess.
Don't you put mayonnaise in here too?
Supposed to be, but I didn't put
You
it.
didn't put it. Yeah, I was just thinking all the stuff we bought when we were shopping for it in the Philippines. Yeah, I remember
Because
mayonnaise.
it's too healthy if you're gonna put mayonnaise, huh?
Yeah. Too healthy?
Yes. Actually, nalipata.
What's that mean?
I said, I forgot. But it still tastes good.
Tastes very good. Well, I think that's it for tonight. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this particular video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.
Be careful, guys. Keep safe all the time.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.